Hello guys, my name is Elias and today we'll be showing you how to run any game like any FiveM server without the Steam ID error. So if I go launch FiveM right now, though my GTA 5 is, but if I launch it right now and if I go to play, just give it a minute. So yeah, as you can see. So let's just say, for example, I will be taking here, this one. So if I click connect, if I let it load, this you can see here, connection failed, unable to find Steam ID. Please reboot FiveM with Steam, open or restart FiveM and Steam if Steam is already open. So click close, back, and just click on the X and you should be exited to the desktop. To fix this, you need to go to your browser and type in Steam. That's it really, just type in Steam. Welcome to Steam, and got to click here, just install Steam again, and click save file. You have to go here, get pop-up, just click yes, you won't be able to see my screen. I should get this set up. You just click next, English or what language you speak. And next, and then install, it's not a lot, so I'll just click install. And then click run Steam. And then to see that, to update Steam, give it a minute. As you can see, we have Steam opened, and just can log in if you have already one, but I don't. So click create new account and put your email address, and that's easy. So I'll just skip this bit. So got Steam open, and I'll show you that I don't have GT5 here. So type in grand, nothing. If I go to store and I type in Grand Theft Auto, click on here, put your birth date, code mine is fake, and there you go. So it's telling me to add to cart. By the way, this is a rip-off. You can get this cheaper on other sites, and you also get bonuses from Rockstar. And that's it. So what you got to do is to open Steam, click add a game, add a non-Steam game. So if I go here and select five, so if I go to browse, sorry, and I go desktop and I select FiveM, I click add selected program, give it a minute, and this is the FiveM single player. When I click play, you should give it a minute and it will launch with Steam. So Steam is running in the background. I'm also launched it with Steam. So we should get something in the corner to say that Steam. Okay, as you can see, if we press Shift and Tab, we get this, which means that it worked. And if I go to play and give it a minute, that same server, if I give some time, if I go click connect, that same server, as you can see, I am able to play the game, and yeah. So yeah, I'm going to go cancel this game, and yeah, that's it. So this is really easy, and if this helped you, then good. And yeah, just remember, get Steam and run FiveM from here. If you enjoyed this video, hit a subscribe, a like, or a share. I'll see you guys later.